Hello. In this second video, we will discuss about manipulators related with the cout object of OStream class. Okay, so one manipulator we have already discussed, that is and L. It is used to give a new line character. Along with it, it will clear or flush the output stream, means the standard output stream or standard output buffer will be cleared if there is anything inside it. Next, we will discuss is about if you have a suppose decimal variable that you can store in double or float. Double pi I will take, and the value of pi is 3.145928 something. Now, if you want to print only up to the three precision values after decimal, what you will use here with cout, that is set precision. So here you will use manipulator set precision, and here I am passing. If I want to print up to three precision, total digits are which I have highlighted are 4. So I will mention here 4, and after these 4 digit, whatever in the decimal is there, that will be rounded off. So actually what it will print is the 3.146 by rounding off this value. Okay. And here after this, I will insert pi and L. Before pi, I would like to mention pi is. Okay. So let us check on the output. Here it is same we have predicted. Okay. We will discuss next manipulator is set width. Now this is used to set the width of a column or width of a particular data which we are inserting, means its field width is decided. Like you are going to print the names of players in one column and their score which they have created in the match in second column. So here I will mention first row such as players and second row such as scores. After that, in each, I will give new line. So first player I will mention, suppose Indian cricket team player Virat Kohli. He have scored 120. Second player I will mention Jasprit Bumrah. And he scored 58. Third player I will mention Rohit Sharma. He scored 100. Okay, now if I will print whether they are aligned in the column format, no, let us check also. As you can see, they are not aligned in the separate columns. They are sticked with each other. So what should I do? For the players column, I think I should give some field width to it. Like largest one I will consider Jasprit Bumrah. So if you will count the number of characters inside it, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 actually. So I would like to give a field width of 60 to each of the players, and a field width of score I will give, suppose, 5 or greater than 5, suppose 8. Let me come back. How to set this field width? Here I am giving for the player set width, that is, I will give 16. In each column I will do this, and I will set the width of score as 8. So in each column I will do the same for score. Now let me compile. Here you could see the output. But in this case, they are arranged in columns, but they are by default aligned on the right hand side of the column. If you want to align them left hand side of the column, you will again use a manipulator left. So for all of them, I am using left for the players. And you want to align score in the right side, player in the left side. Yes, both you can change. For score, you will mention right manipulator here before the score. Here you can see they are perfectly aligned. Players on the left side, score on the right side. Next manipulator we will see is scientific notation. If you want to print in the scientific format, suppose the pi value you want to print in the scientific format, you will use scientific manipulator. Here I will use scientific output, and here is value of pi. Let me compile. Due to this statement, you will get scientific notation something in the form of 3.14 into 10 raised to power something. Here you can see it is in the form of scientific notation. Thank you very much for watching this video.